yung mga Muslim, dahil sa mga Muslim na practice ng kasal, multiply ng mga Muslim. At yung kasal, yung marriage, it is an obligation. Obligado yung kasal sa lahat ng Muslim. But kung lalaki yung walang kaya buhayin, hindi pwede siya kasal hanggang siya na kaya buhayin. Lahat ng Muslim, obligation ng kasal. Hindi pwede na sabihin na Muslim, hindi ako kasal. Hindi pwede, bawal, dahil yung obligation, utos ng Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There's a command of Allah for every Muslim should get married. Now this verse is very beautiful. That, O mankind, fear your Lord who created you from one soul. And from that soul, He created His wife. And from them both, created many men and many women. It's a great blessing to have a marriage, kasal, and the marriage should be in the name of Allah. Kung kasal na sa pangalan ng Allah, may baraka, may love, mahal, and it will be marriage forever. Yung kasal sa Islam, hindi lang sa mundo na ito. Sa kabilang buhay din yung kasal na sa Islam. The marriage is for this life and in another life. And the most important thing in the marriage is love. The most important thing in the marriage is love. And when a person, a man marrying a woman for the sake of Allah, for the love of Allah, in the name of Allah, then Allah is the source of all love. Allah is Al-Wadud. Al-Wadud, the loving God. The God who loves. Or the source of all the love. Lahat ng mahal, galing kay Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Siya yung pangalan niya, siya yung pinakamahal. At yung galing sa kanya lahat ng mahal. So, 100% sigurado, a man is marrying a woman in the name of Allah, for the sake of Allah, then there should be a love. For definite, because Allah's promise. There's a promise of Allah. And also the Prophet Muhammad said, a person, when he get married, he complete his religion. His religion is complete now. He was half Muslim, now he become full Muslim. What is the meaning to say? Because the most of the laws of Islam, you cannot implement in your life until you get married. For example, when a person, he is not yet married, he is only a son, and he's a brother. But when he get married, he'll become a husband now, and he'll become later on the father also. So these are the four major relations for a man. What are the four major relations for the man? He become a son when he born. When his brothers and sister born, he become the brother. So he has a two kind of rights between parents and son, and he has another right between brothers and sisters. But he cannot give the right to a wife, and he cannot give right to the children because he has no wife and he has no children. So he has a two major relation is half. Only two he had. He can be a son and he can be a brother. But he cannot be a husband, he cannot be a father unless he get married. And this will imply to the whole life. Like he will get the in-laws, he will get the other relations through that. His children will have also the uncles and aunties through him. So it will be multiplying the Islam. It will be multiplying the rules of Islam.